Many times, when applying for a building permit, you find out after submitting that you may be limited in what you can do based on the location and elevation of your property. This is due to FEMA regulations. Therefore, it is very important for you to know your flood zone before submitting your permit. Finding the flood zone can be confusing. In this video, we'll explain step by step how to do so. Step 1. Click on the link in the description box below titled FEMA. Federal Emergency Management Agency, to visit the FEMA Flood Map Service Center. Step 2. Type in the search bar your address, city, and zip code. Step 3. Zoom in to find out what your flood zone is. For example, X 500. If you can't find your property or flood zone this way, try the following method. Step 1. Find the jurisdiction or municipality that you are under. You'll find the link to our previous YouTube video in the description box titled How to Find What Jurisdiction You Are Under, in which we explain step by step how to do so. Step 2. Go to your jurisdiction's website and type D-Firm Map in the search tool. Step 3. Once you're on the map, type your address and click enter. Step 4. Zoom in to find your flood zone. The flood zone your property is located in indicates whether or not you need to consider additional constraints when preparing to improve your property. For example, if you are in an X or X500 flood zone, you can do anything that is allowed by code on your property. On the other hand, if you are in an AE, AH, or VE flood zone, you will have limitations. The most common being the 50% FEMA regulation. So now that you have found your flood zone, what's next? Stay tuned to find out. At Elite Permits, we can do this and much, much more for you. Don't hesitate to contact us to learn more or to request our services. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.